Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. And yeah, last video I talked about entrepreneurship, which is really owning a business within an organization, and I got uh, mm, few messages regarding that as well, and I will respond. I'm responding to those to the maximum I can, and if you still don't get a response, or if it is, please feel free to drop a mail to ramkumar.sp12@gmail.com. I will reply as quick as possible. And coming to today, I'm just concerned about what is a serious concern which this lockdown is causing. Do you think its impact on the economy, its impact on the job market? Of course, there is going to be a lot of job losses because of this, and certain industries are going to face real challenges. It's all there, and governments are going to face challenges, but it's all there. But most importantly, if you read my previous blog, or I was talking about the demographic dividend, the advantage which we have, that is the active young people in a country, especially for an example, take India for example, we have more than 35, we have more than 65% of the population who are less than the age of 35, which is an advantage for the country. But at the same time, when we look at even more the younger generation who are entering into the job market, who are going to be future leaders, if they are just finishing their college, or if they are just on their the starting of their career, looking for something to get actively involved, this time if they are going to be idle for about 60 to 90 days, that is something to be thought about. Guys, if you are one such person, and maybe you could be in any part of the world, it is important for you to keep yourself active, whether you get involved in an internship or a voluntary activity or whatever. Keep yourself active, or if you start your own project or anything, find a way where you can be active, where you can do something meaningful. Because I was just talking to a bus driver, and he was saying that if the buses are kept idle for more than few weeks, then the machines inside are not going to be in the same form when we start back. So if that is the case for those machines, how about the human mind? How about us not being active for a long period? So that is something to be taken care about. So the most important challenge this lockdown has given is bringing our young minds active again. So that is where I just want to throw out an opportunity for you, and also give you some action steps which you can keep yourself active. As they say, empty minds devil's workshop. Look for opportunities out there where you can do some volunteering, or you can work on some passionate project you are concerned about. Do something to craft your career, because if you have a specific goal and if you are working towards that goal, then you are on the success path. But in case if you have not set a goal, try to set a goal today. Take some time today and then see what you want to achieve in the future, and start working towards that. And these activities which you do would definitely take you there, and especially volunteering, guys. So I'm just telling out of my personal interest. I have volunteered a lot during my college days, and before that, even after that, and that really gives a lot of experience. Like, I got the most dedicated volunteer award as well, but I didn't know that I would be getting that. But doing that really opened a lot of doors, whether it may be starting the Green Impact project at University of Leicester, which later led to starting the Champions for Change program at the University of Leicester Business School, and that led to the formation of Uniglue as a small project, which is now a partner organization with United Nations. All this started with very small volunteering. So if you get an opportunity, grab it, and if you want an opportunity, feel free to get back to us. In fact, we are also looking for really committed active volunteers who can work with us on research. We are working on United Nations goal related projects, who can work with us in events management, who can work on digital marketing, and we are actually building something at the moment from the scratch. Although we were already doing we were already involved, now we have completely changed the strategy, and we are doing something. Okay, leaving that apart. So for young people, have a focused goal and take baby steps towards that, and craft a plan of action. Just see what is that you will be doing step by step, and then commit to that action for a consistent period of time. So once we are consistent in doing something, it will take us to the next level. And finally, have one activity which you will definitely do on that particular day. What I mean as one activity, start your day with an activity, with an action which you will complete in the first hour of the day. That can be a simple thing, but plan that the day before, because if you do that in the first hour of the day, yes, of course we have to avoid the social media, and that's why you see even most of my posts coming towards the later of the day. That releases dopamine, a hormone, which a feel good hormone, which kind of fuels us to do the next task. So that's something which I want to share today. A simple thing is, yes, entrepreneurship to start with, volunteering to keep yourself active, find opportunities to grow, and most importantly, do that one activity every day and get that release of dopamine. And if you are interested in volunteering and have some an interest and you are really dedicated, feel free to drop a message back. We will discuss more. And if you resonate with this message and if you feel that crafting your career clearly is something very important, and if you would like to get guided on this path more, again drop me a message. As I said, I will add you to a VIP group which I am carefully curating for a very small number of people whom I want to help and work closely with, and I'll be sharing more cool stuff there as well. Thank you. Have a nice day of what is left. Bye bye. Ramkumar signing off.